right?
We going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're back home again. A couple of things to note here. The temperature gauge, the car is fully warmed up. The temperature gauge reads below normal. It does read, well, there you can see it. So the deal with that is we've taken the temperature at the thermostat housing with a laser temperature gauge meter. And it's what you would expect. It's around, I think it was a little over 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's fine. The cooling system's working fine. It's just that the gauge reads low. So I do have a new fuel and temp gauge and a new heat sensing unit. Brand new old stock stuff that's going to go with the car. So I just want to let you know that. Here it's idling again. We're back. It's nice. According to the clock, it's noon, but that's off. We'll fix that for the next owner. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.